Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix PS5 controller not connecting to your PC. Alright, so the first thing you can do is do a hard reset on your PS5 controller. To do this, just look at the back of your PS5 controller and there will be a hard reset button there. You will need something like a paper clip or a pin to poke on it and hold for 5 seconds. You will feel a click when you do so, and after that, wait for another 5 seconds and your controller should be hard reset. So if that doesn't work, what you want to do is go to your PC again, well, pretty much your PC, and download Steam if you haven't had already. So Steam's pretty much like a game website where you can buy games and install the software through them. So what you need to do is go to Steam here on the upper right corner, upper left corner, I mean. Click on it and then go to settings, right? In settings, what you need to do is go to controller over here, click on controller, and you're going to see a lot of external gamepad settings. Look for enable Steam input for PlayStation controllers. So this is off, just turn it on, and this should work for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.